Ohanaeze president don cut chain give Tinubu. He say after they don sit down come think come talk he say there's no reason wey be say they go come hold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for inside detention, for inside the DSS. You know, NDL Ohanaeze also went ahead and said that if they say they release Nnamdi Kanu, for help them make they capture all the whole bad boys for inside BiafraLand. No be smart, you know. Now say this one go red though, my people. As we dey talk right now, they say that our brothers, both Nigerians and Biafrans wey dey for inside South Africa, they protest the way South Africa police say they kpai our people. E done too much. Yeah, my people, let's go and find out how this thing take dey happen. Yeah, one wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas GC. If today na the first time wey they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, they bring you back to back update as e dey hot. We are trying since morning to bring you update, but because of some technical issues wey we say we try to dey fix so that we will come they bring our update to full. That's why our video no dey pump as e dey pump for few days now, but we still dey here. My people, no be small thing. They say that Ohanaeze President General don cut chain give Bola Ahmed Tinubu, tell am say even Nigeria no even get herself. The way they take hold Nnamdi Kanu, say e no good though. He say he don sit down with the cabinet and all of the executive come reason am, say e no good wey they take hold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He said that if say they release am now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for help them make they capture the bad boys, because they hold am there, they no fit know the bad boys wey dey for inside BiafraLand. No be smart, you know. I will go play the video, may you watch before we come back and proceed. Stay tuned and watch the video as e dey hot.
I, as a leader of Igbos, after consultation with my people, we all agreed that there was no reason why Nnamdi Kanu should be incarcerated, no reason why he should be detained. He didn't serve any risk. Rather, his release will help Nigeria, will help the security agencies to differentiate who is a criminal and who is a very honest and dedicated Nigerian. Because many criminals hide under the fact that Nnamdi Kanu is in detention and continue to unleash heinous crimes on our people in Southeast. As you have already noticed, some people stay outside Nigeria and from time to time mobilize armed robbers, armed the gunmen, and even declare sit at home. And of course, you know, our people are mercantile people, people who are commercial people. Most of the people live from day to day, from hand to mouth. And when these people are restrained from getting out to do their business, they suffer a lot of hardship. So we believe that if Nnamdi Kanu is released, it's going to be to make the job of security very easy. So we, all of us, cannot be saying that he should be released without a just cause. The whole of our people, the political class, religious class, all of them. And as a leader of Igbos, part of my mandate is to see that Nnamdi Kanu is released. And I have made the appeal to the president. I've even sought for appointment to meet the president with some leaders of Southeast. And the president has been very busy. I believe once he's free, he will invite us, because he has been busy attending to so many international, national and international matters. He will see us because, no doubt, Southeast, the Igbos, we are part of Nigeria. We are committed to Nigeria. We believe in Nigeria. We have, over the years, made contributions to the building of Nigeria. So if we cry to our leader, the president, to say, this is our problem, I believe he will definitely listen to us. The Supreme Court judgment doesn't bother us because the Supreme Court is supposed to interpret the law and do their carry out justice. That is, we actually didn't make the appeal to the Supreme Court. The appeal we made was to the president. Our president, His Excellency, Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR. That's the person we actually made the, I believe that our president will realize that if all Igbos are saying one thing, then there must be something in it. And besides, Nnamdi Kanu has openly renounced and that the activities of people who have been kidnapping, murdering, killing people in Southeast in the disguise of Nnamdi Kanu's detention. Nnamdi Kanu has cautioned that they should stop. He said it openly, and we know that. So that is why we are saying that it should be released. Because, you see, we don't want people to continue to commit crimes under the guise that Nnamdi Kanu is in detention. So I still believe that our president will yield to our request and release him, so that now we can now differentiate between those who actually were fighting for him and those who were just criminals.
Yeah, my people, shey you don hear am as he take talk am. No be small thing o. He say make Nigeria release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu because he no get any reason why wey dey still hold am for inside that place and they don sit down, because say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don talk say many things wey dey happen, say him hand no dey inside and he no know how e take dey happen o. But however, we jump into the next ogbonge news wey we get for hand before we still come back come talk more about this particular update. They say that our brothers wey dey for inside South Africa, they say they don cry come outside. They say the way that the South Africa police say they buy them for inside that place, he say the thing don too much. As they talk now, they don still buy one other person. I mean, all of them come gather, come dey demand for justice for that brother wey they buy for inside that place. This thing don too much. Anywhere where Nigeria dey, other tribe, other country go do something, they go waka pass. But hence say they look you as a Nigeria, you are a suspect. No be small thing. Na what I tell you, na true. Wetin dey go on. If you dey travel with somebody and that person get in country passport, una reach the place where they stamp in or stamp out, you know wetin go happen? The person wey go attend to you na special person wey be say he know how they take dey handle people wey be criminal. He know how they take dey check those kind people. Na the people wey go stand dey check you wey be Nigeria. If they dey too, you bring your passport come outside, they look you say it be Nigeria, na that person I go handle your own matter. This is wetin this name don give everybody. So I'm going to play the video the moment where our brothers they ask for justice for this our brother where they don't buy for inside South Africa.
A police vehicle with the body of a deceased local resident inside of it. Angry Nigerians staying in the Kempton Park area demanded justice for the murder of their brother. This man explains what happened.
All of us there by the West Street this morning. This particular GTI arrived. When they saw this guy, they were chasing this guy. Always. More than 4 to 8 times. Every time they got this boy, they took all his money. Every time. Today, this guy don't have money. He started running. And he has only one ganja that is smoking on his hand. They chased him to taxi rank. All of us go there. They grab this boy. When they grab him, they handcuff him.
Yeah, my people, as they call handcuff Pambo, na so the guy can't take by. No be small thing. A lot of things don't happen for inside South Africa to Nigeria people where they over there. The government will never intervene because the most things where this thing they happen to, they see and say those ones no be Nigeria. The real Nigerians no get issue. They are angel. and they are holy. They know the sin at all. You go understand why I talk this thing. However, I say my tell una wetin dey go on. If you get person for inside South Africa, may you still call check on am. No be only to call am to ask am for money, but still ask whether na your brother where this thing happen to. God no go gree, maybe your brother, but check on your loved ones where they for South Africa, whether they dey okay. Okay, my wonderful people, oh, now so we see I'm here, and I will say more bring I can't give you. I beg, may let us know wetin you think about this Ohanaeze President General talk regarding the way the way these people still dey hold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and they appeal court judgment few days ago, and what you think will be their move, and tell me what you think about this particular update we will then carry on give you concerning this with this way they happen for inside South Africa for our own brother. Which advice you get to give them over there? Okay, my wonderful people, as they hot to now here we will end up for today, but we will see you for the next update. I beg, try to check on our previous update we will update and share them for us. Also follow this page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn your notification bell. Thank you so much. We will see you for the next update as they hold.